DGPS surveying is an essential aspect of modern urban planning and development. In the bustling city of Rohini, there is a growing need for accurate and precise measurements to ensure the proper execution of construction projects. This is where DGP surveyors in Rohini play a crucial role. These professionals utilize advanced technology and equipment to collect data and create detailed maps and plans for various projects. With their expertise, they can accurately determine property boundaries, identify potential obstacles, and provide valuable insights for design and construction purposes. One of the key benefits of hiring DGP surveyors in Rohini is their ability to provide highly accurate measurements. Using DGPStechnology, these surveyors can capture precise coordinates of various points on the ground, enabling them to create accurate maps and plans. This level of accuracy is crucial in urban planning, as it helps architects, engineers, and designers make informed decisions regarding the layout and design of buildings and infrastructure. By relying on DGP surveyors, project managers can minimize errors and avoid costly mistakes during construction. Moreover, DGP surveyors in Rohini are well-versed in SCON design. SCON, which stands for Site Construction Overlay Network, is a specialized software used in the field of surveying. It allows surveyors to collect, process, and analyze data more efficiently, leading to faster and more accurate results. By utilizing SCON design, DGP surveyors in Rohini can streamline the surveying process and provide their clients with comprehensive reports and plans. This not only saves time but also ensures that all necessary data is captured and analyzed effectively. Furthermore, DGP surveyors in Rohini are skilled in using various tools and equipment to carry out their work. A vital component of contemporary urban planning and development is DGP surveying. To guarantee that development projects are carried out properly, there is an increasing need for exact measurements in the busy city of Rohini. This is where RohiniDGP surveyors are essential. These experts collect data and produce precise maps and blueprints for various projects using cutting-edge technology and equipment. With their knowledge, they can precisely pinpoint property lines, spot potential snags, and offer insightful advice for planning and building projects. Hiring DGP surveyors in Rohini has a number of advantages, including their capacity to deliver extremely precise measurements. These surveyors can make accurate maps by using DGP's technology to record the precise coordinates of numerous